Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Next chapter I am going to explain symmetry. Okay, this is very simple chapter. Easily you can understand. Introduction once you can see here. Look at around you. You will find that many objects around you are symmetrical. So are the objects that are drawn below. See, this is a flower. This is a symmetry. This is having symmetry, this is also having symmetry. Okay, all these objects are symmetrical as they can be divided in such a way that their two parts coincide with each other. Yes or no? If you fold these objects, this one half of the is exactly covered with the next half. Example, symmetry means if you take one object, suppose I am taking paper. See, this paper I am taking. This paper, or if you fold the paper, if you fold any, not only paper, any object, if you fold it, one half exactly occupies the space. One half exactly occupies the space of the other half. Exactly, it will occupy these two halves. This is called symmetry. This is called symmetry. Okay, now now what is line of symmetry? A line which divides the given figure into two identical parts. That line is called a line of symmetry. Once again I am writing the definition. Line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. A line which divides the figure into two identical parts. Two identical parts. That line is called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. This is the definition of line symmetry. See here, if you I folded this figure now see this is the line of symmetry. What this dotted line, this is a line of symmetry for this figure. This line, it divides this figure into two identical parts. Okay, same parts, identical means same equal parts. Okay, now see here, you can observe the figures. This is the line of symmetry, dotted line. This is the line of symmetry. These are the line of symmetry. This don't have line of symmetry. Okay, why? Because if you draw the line of symmetry, it will not identical parts. Why? Because here this, if you draw like this side is some curved line is there. Okay, see, it is not identical part of this, so it is not having any symmetry. Okay, next see exercise 1. First question, give below are some figures, which of them are symmetry? Draw the axis of symmetry for the symmetric figures. Given below are some figures, which of them are symmetry? Draw the axis of symmetry for the symmetric figures. In this we should draw the symmetry. Okay, axis of symmetry we should draw. Very simple, just here only I am drawing. See, for this figure we can draw the symmetry like this. Okay, if you fold the figure, it will exactly occupies the same as the others. Now if you draw like this, these two parts also identical. If you draw like this, these two parts also identical. So draw the line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. For this, vertically we can draw, horizontally we can draw. For this we can draw vertically, horizontally, diagonally, here also diagonally we can draw. For this only vertical we can draw. For this we can draw. If you draw like this, if you fold the figure, then it will come. Diagonal also we can fold. We can get the two identical parts. Okay, here for T we can draw only vertically. For M also only vertical axis of symmetry. For this figure horizontally we can draw. For this figure horizontally and vertical also, and like this also we can draw. For this figure we can draw only vertically. For this you can draw infinite. You can draw infinite many. I am writing infinite we can draw. For this only vertically we can draw. For this figure axis of symmetry will come vertically, horizontally. For this figure like this will come, like this also will come. Okay, I hope you understood. Still for remaining figures also we can draw axis of symmetry vertical only. For this figure vertical we can draw, horizontal also we can draw. For this figure we can draw like this, we can draw like this. Okay, like this, and like this we can draw. Here like this axis of symmetry will come, like this also will come. If you draw like this is a rectangle, it will not exactly coincide, so only two we can draw. For this figure like this only. For this figure like this, like this, like this. Okay, axis of symmetry. For this given figure we can draw only vertically. For this given figure there is no possibility to draw like axis of symmetry for this figure. No axis of symmetry. Okay, for this figure we can draw horizontal, vertical, like this, and also like this. Okay, next line of symmetry for regular polygons. Before going to line of symmetry for regular polygon, first you should know what is regular polygons. What is regular polygon? See, here only definition is there. A closed figure made from several line segments is called a polygon. This is the polygon definition. Polygon definition means the closed figure which forms several line segments. Okay, which of the above figures are polygons? Which several line segments? Like these are the polygons. Okay, what is regular polygon? You know polygon, but what is regular polygon? See here, a polygon with all sides and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. A polygon with all sides and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. See the figures, all three sides. See, this is a regular polygon. All three sides are equal, all angles also equal. This is a regular polygon. Okay, next see here exercise 2. In the figure given below, find the axis of symmetry such that on the folding along the axis two dots falls on each other. Okay, see, for this we can draw axis of symmetry like this. Why? Because if you fold the figure, then this dot exactly occupies the space of this dot, means this half exactly occupies the space of this half. Like that we can draw. And dots, with respect to dots, we can draw the axis of symmetry. See, like this. If you fold the figure like this, these two identical parts occupies the space equally. Okay, for this we should fold horizontally so that this part is exactly occupies the space of the other half. Exactly. Okay, dots also, this dot exactly occupies the space of this dot if you fold the figure. Okay, next, for this we should uh, if you fold vertically, these dots will not occupy the same space. Here space is more, here space is less. If you draw like this, it will okay. So this half exactly occupies the space of this half, and these two dots also, this lies above on this lies above on this, compulsory. Okay, next we can draw horizontal and vertical. For this only it will come vertical, for this horizontal, for this vertical. Okay, for this like this. Yes, if you fold like this will come. Okay, see, given the line of symmetry, find the other dot. Okay, other dot we need to find out. Very simple. Here is there, no, here we can put the dot, same space. Okay, here it is there, no, here we can keep the dot. If you fold the figure, the dot occupies the space of this dot. Okay, sorry, here if you fold the figure, here not, no, sorry for this, here will come dot. Why? Because if you fold these two halves, this space of the dot will occupy this space compulsory. So this is wrong, this is only correct. Now this correct only. If you fold the figure, dot here will come. These two dots will occupy the space. Okay, next here it will come dot. Okay, in the following incomplete figures, the mirror line, the line of symmetry is given as dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection on the dotted mirror line. You might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you can complete? Same as this mirror image we should draw. Here it is not sufficient space, so lightly I am drawing. See, this is the mirror image of this figure, and for this figure, this is exactly mirror image of this figure. For this, just here space not sufficient, so just I am drawing dotted line. You can draw in your notebook neatly. Okay, here for this, like this we can take. mirror image of this figure. Okay, for this just you have to take a like this and this. Just you can take like this. Okay, in notebook if you draw means it will get neatly, it will get perfectly exact image figure. It is not getting properly, you can take the notebook and you can draw, it will come exactly. See, just here I am keeping notebook. Now you can draw. See, next off I am drawing. Okay, this like this you can. This is the mirror image. This is the line of symmetry. State whether the following statements are true or false. See, every closed figure has an axis of symmetry. No, every closed figure, how you can, some closed figures will not have, they closed figure but they will not have axis of symmetry. For example, see the figure, before figure I showed you now. This is a closed figure but it is not having any symmetry. That's what it is false. Next, a figure with at least one axis of symmetry is called a symmetric figure. A figure with at least one axis of symmetry is called a symmetric figure. Yes, true. A regular polygon of 10 sides will have 12 axes of symmetry. Yes. Draw a square and construct all its axes of symmetry. Measure the angles between each pair of successive axes of symmetry. What do you notice? Does the same rule apply for the other polygons, other regular polygons? Okay, I'll explain this solution next video. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.